Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to install this Debian file using terminal in Linux. So first of all you have to open terminal here, and first you have to install some software name called gdb. Install gdb. So just type your password, and I already have this software, and now I am going to install this gdb file to my Linux. So I'm just type sudo gdb, just file name, press enter. And do you want to install this software? I do yes. So it will be take time as your PC performance and your internet speed. So now you can open the software. Just type the software name, Google Form, and you have the software. So that's how you can easily install Debian file with Linux. So see you guys in another video. Subscribe to my channel and like the video.